Keep watching to find out the reason why we use the drop-in. I'm shocked. Welcome to part 9 of a continuing series. Just bought a townhouse. As we were doing in the previous part 8, we're starting the cleaning process in preparation for painting. Here we're using some TSP for the hinges and the handles, which I haven't made up my mind yet, but I'm thinking that I'm just going to buy some new hinges, the soft close type hinges, and I've already placed an order in for some pulls. So this is kind of just walking through it and some of the issues that we ran into as we progressed on this activity here at this time of part 9, and like quite naturally after this we'll have another part 10, 11, etc. So keep watching and enjoy. Finally, after months of waiting, fooling around with the homeowners association, the management, not the association, but the management organization office, and delays and having to get a recorded deed on file, I finally got my water turned on by the village, and after they turned the water on, I had this situation that happened. Yes, we had a crack copper pipe buried behind this tower pantry that I was in the process of painting, along with the rest of the lower cabinets. It's going to be painted blue. Upper canvas painted white. But anyway, back to the subject at hand. This happened, and had to call a plumber. Came right out. The plumber was very expeditious in responding. Usually I call a couple of them, didn't hear anything from them. The one that I usually call, I haven't called in years, to my main house, they came out within a half an hour. Really great guys. I really appreciate the quick response. But you can see here they had to put in a new section here because, like I said, this place was empty for 3 years, 2 years, 3 years, and they call themselves winterizing, but like any place, there's always a low water spot, and where water accumulates. And this wall here is the opposite side of this wall is the garage. So with the building unit not having any heat, and the more colder side from the garage, that pipe burst, and this is what it looked like. Put it down so you can see it. There's the split right there on the top. So that elbow was down like that. So cut that out, put in a new copper pipe. So now, instead of me continuing to painting the cabinets, I'm diverted to patch up this drywall. So that's what we're going to do today. Oh, and here's another crazy thing. The previous owners, I removed the refrigerator already. The refrigerator's gone, but let me turn over. Like I said, the refrigerator is gone, and I moved that pantry cabinet out just to get to the opening there. But if you notice, there's a black line right there that was going to the refrigerator ice maker. It started here underneath the sink, and it's disconnected. It ran all the way along the upper portion of the behind the drawers, all the way through to the back cabinet, It punched through the wall here, and it was such an ugly looking thing until it was black and I had the painters paint it at least kind of cover up a little bit, but it comes from behind the wash basin up over the door, back down, and it goes through that hole there. And on the other side of the door here, it comes out. And here's the part of it here. Sit there, and then continuing on across here into the back of the refrigerator. Now, for some reason, I'm not sure why this happened, but they didn't realize that the refrigerator connection was right there. And it actually comes on. It's turned off right now, but the black thing is a plug to keep it leak-proof. But it actually comes on. So that's the water supply to your refrigerator ice maker. And your refrigerator just sits right here. You can see that little line on the wall is where the refrigerator sits to the left. So instead of running the line from that little connection here within, I guess 4 feet, 3 feet or 4 feet of the refrigerator, they ran this line all the way over the door, in the cabinets, behind the cabinets, over to the sink to make a connection. What can I say? Getting back to our main issue.
you.